Alright, I'm back, and we are in the final stretch for not this episode of Cooking with Unity, but for my Ludum Dare project. It's a game. It works. I'm not as happy as I could be with it, but it has some game phases and some stuff happening. I'm just doing the final touches right now. I'm going to do some sounds real quick, and then I'm going to have a little you win screen and a timer, and I think that'll be it. Alright, so online, what was the sound generator I like? I don't even remember what it's called. SFXR. I just need one sound effect, maybe two. Yeah, two. I need three sound effects. Alright. 1, 2, 3, ah. Come on. Load up. I know you can do this. I know my computer's not hurting too bad for CPU, right? Let's save what I've got here because I haven't saved in a while. And it's kind of working. So what are we doing? We were going to... Let's see. Alright, let's just do random. Like that, I kind of like that. Save sound. Oh, wait, not what I wanted. I didn't want to save the sound. I just want to cancel. I want to just export the wave. And we're going to call it, this one's going to be called bad. Just going to put it to desktop. Oh god. Oh, whew. I like that one. It's a little poppy, but... Let's export that one. Cube reset. And then we need a good sound, just a good one. Yeah. Good. Alright, so now we throw these in here. We're going to grab, what is it? Good. cube reset, good and bad. Throw it in our Unity project. Alright, so need to create a new little empty game object. Bad sound is going to be 0, 0, 0. Create component, audio source. Play on awake, good. And we're going to, what are we doing? We're going to attach that to it. Then we're going to duplicate this, call it good sound. Attach good to it. And then we're going to duplicate again. Cube reset sound. Alright. Not use camel case because I want to be consistent with everything else. And we've got 15 minutes left in the competition, so hopefully I can get this sound stuff in and working pretty quick, and then call it a day. What, do I have to do them one at a time or something? Okay, guess so. Make sure that they play. Seemed good enough. Alright, so when we... what are we going to do? So on cube, when we give it, we're going to... what are we doing? I'm going to just make a play sound on clicked. Spawn on clicked. Void public game object spawn object instantiate spawn object transform dot position quaternion dot identity. That's that part. We add this to our cube. And we put bad sound in there. And finally, special cube, we put that script on there. We add good sound. And then on our reset cubes on collect, we're going to add public Game object. Reset sound. And we'll do the same thing that we did in spawn on clicked. Set that reset sound. Let's see what it does. So that looks like that works. I'm going to make the reset sound louder. Guess I can set the volume higher. Okay, well, we'll just not annoy people. I want to get, in 2 more minutes, I want to get random, create C# script, random pitch. Float minimum min pitch public float max pitch equals 0.5 f equals 1.5 f. Start audio dot pitch equals random dot range min max. And we need one to destroy. Create C#. Destroy when done playing. Update. If audio dot is, if not audio is playing, destroy game object. No. Game object. No? Come on. Game object. So let's see how this does. So we're gonna put bad sound, good sound, and reset cube reset sound. Game object scripts, destroy when done playing. And then on the good sound and on the bad sound, we're going to put create other component scripts, random pitch. Alright, well, it's better than when it didn't have sound. Alright, what else do we got to do? That's almost everything. I just need to make a real quick win condition thing. Alright, so... It's, reset cubes on clicked. If brightness is greater than 1.0 f, what is it called? What we're just going to do is make this work. Camera dot main dot clear flags equals, okay, clear flags. Camera clear flags. They just had to be flags. Okay, there we go. Camera clear flags dot depth. Actually, I'm just going to search for it because I don't have time. Game object dot find plane. I only have one plane, right? Yeah. Dot. Oh wait, that won't find it, will it? Fuck. Game object plane needs to be activated. It can't be found because it's not active, and the nodes can't know about it. Alright, so we're going to change this. We're going to just turn off the mesh renderer. So, game object dot find plane dot renderer dot enabled equals true. All right, might have a whole game here, and actually let's put a little "you win" in the corner or something. Void on GUI. If private pool winning equals false. If winning you win. I'll just throw in the corner there. And winning equals true. Alright, well, now we'll see if it actually all works. I've got 3 minutes to fix any potential issues if it doesn't work, which means that by the time I'm done testing, I won't have time to fix it. But I just want to see if it works for my own personal edification. As you can see, I'm complete with the project at this point, so I don't know what happened with all those other things. What is going on with that when I do that? Such a weird bug. Alright, well, whatever. Got bugs in the reset. Oh well, not fixing them. No, I lost my multiplier. Oh, lost it again. Alright, can make it less boring. Gotta go faster. What's it called? It's called. This is my last change. Black hole. 512. Save. And we go back into node, and we reset this. Reset 520, and game object is a special cube. And I have no time to fix anything at this point, so no matter what happens here is what I'm shipping. At least now there's good feedback that you've done something wrong. It's probably the most least game-like thing I've made. Well, maybe Pushy Pixels falls higher than that. Like, not the company, but the app. That was a toy, though. Like, this is not much of a toy, either. Oh well. It was made in 48 hours, and actually much less than that, because I basically worked only 5 hours yesterday, and a few hours the first day. Gotta get this combo going so we can get this done faster. How's my stats going? Okay, I haven't totally borked everything. I wanted to have a timer to show how fast people had done it, so there was actually a reason to get better at the game, but there's not one. So use a watch. No. We've passed those days, haven't we, where we could just say, yeah, oh yeah, you can compete for time. Just, get a stopwatch and compete for time. Don't see why we have to codify it. I'm really tired. So. Click too fast. Yeah, there's challenge here, but there's not fun here. Well. There we go. Got a good combo started now. Missed my combo. This is probably really boring for people watching, but I want to make sure that it actually does something at the end, so that I know whether I should be ashamed completely with myself. Yeah, that bug's just spectacular. Oh well. It's minor. It happens because these things keep trying to shoot at the cubes even when they're shrunk down, and it defaults it to 1.0f in world space, and so when it grows back up, it becomes gigantic. Have patience. All right. That helps. That makes things easier to keep the combo going even after. Dope. Still haven't gotten to 50%, really? Or is my logic not working? Probably logic's not working. Let's find out. Material effects. What do we got? Yep, we're at 50% brightness, and yet the hue speed is... Oh, it's very, very, very small. Let's look at my code. I'm not going to change anything. I just am curious what I did wrong. Reset cubes unclicked. If brightness is greater than 0.5. Oh, yeah. That's fine. It'll work. It'll just cycle in the opposite direction. I'm okay with that. That's funny, though. Alright, let's get my combo going again. Bam. Bam. One more. Yeah. The combo's reset after 5 seconds. If it's between the last time that you clicked on a flashing cube. It also resets immediately if you hit a cube that isn't ready to click. I wanted to have like music kick in and stuff, but I tried making a loop and I just made something that would have annoyed people in like about 10 minutes. So, well, less than that, like 20 seconds. So... It's going to be harder to see those cubes, the flashing ones now. Oh, there we go. This gets considerably harder as they start cycling faster. I'm almost at 100% brightness, so maybe I can just deal with the last one and get the you win message. You win! Alright. And now you get the cool, crazy effect. Alright, well, it's a game. It has a win condition. I guess that makes it a game. Not particularly interesting game, but it's there. Alright, cool. Well, that is what I'm submitting. Gotta just pack it up now. They don't count pack up time as part of the competition, thankfully. So, anyway, actually, I'll just do that on here. Why not? So, definitely gonna need a web build. Build. So that's done. I love Unity for just the ability to deploy on things with pretty much doing nothing. So I was originally doing the jam, but I'm not anymore because I did all this myself, and so I didn't have a partner, and that's the main reason I was doing a jam, is because I thought Justin was going to help me, but he was so bummed out by the theme evolution that he didn't want to do anything, and I evidently wasn't good at doing the theme evolution, but at least I got something, and the cube kind of evolves. I got to come up with some sort of name. Actually, I should probably come up with that name before doing these builds. Yeah, let's actually come up with a name, shall we? Build settings, player settings, product name, LD24. Alright, we're gonna go with something stupid. Cube Evolution. Okay, evolution. Cubevolution. Cubevolution. Nah. Crazy Cube Revolution. Evolution? CCE? Nah. I don't think of anyone online to help me with names. No one's online. Alright. Well, I definitely want to put this push pixels just in case. And product name is Evolve. Everything's gonna start with E on that. Cubic Evolution. That's what I'm going to call it. Alright. Build. Save. Replace. So yeah, I had fun. I had a lot of fun, which is good. And I've got friends in town, so I'm going to celebrate tonight, even though it's not that particularly interesting a game. I'm just going to submit the web build for right now, and then I'll get other builds after that. Make sure that this runs. So it's called LD24 Web. I don't want it to be called that. I want it to be called Cubevolution. So I guess I have to actually change that somewhere else. I consider this part of the packing step, the naming step. Player settings, cubic evolution. Cubic evolution. like to get a version for Android and iOS and stuff like that, and I probably will do that, but that's going to be not tonight. I'm just going to get this submitted to Ludum Dare and call it a game. Alright, that'll work. That'll do. Alright, what are we doing? Ludum Dare. Compo. No, not Twitter. Compo. Sign in. Alright, so submit edit. New entry, cubic evolution. Entry, wait, what? Why does it not have... Oh. Do I... 22 hours, 23 hours. Am I an hour late somehow? When did this end? 23. Because there should be 24 hours total. Did I miss the deadline? What was the freaking deadline? I thought it was 7. Alright, how do I actually... Alright, well, I'm just going to enter it and see what happens. Cubic evolution. Notes, evolve the cube. Shiny thing. Cube from something drab to something fabulous. I am not going to put instructions here, but rather let people figure it out. There is a win condition, and I am interested if anyone is bored enough to see it. Light on the theme, and unfortunately not terribly fun. That's too much. I'm just gonna light on theme and a bit abstract, but it's a game. I made it in 48 hours, and I like it. Web version is available now. Full version will be additional build/media will be available sometime tomorrow. Primary screenshot. So let's go to start with web. Okay. Edit my entry. Oh yeah, I need to actually put this somewhere. CyberDuck. Cubic evolution /cubic.html. Let's see if that actually works. Looks like it works. Curious how big this actually is. $233 kilobytes. All right, we can work with that. All right. So it works. I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot. Screenshots real quick. And I want one where it's super super colorful. I try not to cuss on this show, and I just haven't had it in me today, evidently. I wonder if I do it a lot and I just don't notice on the regular show. I don't think I do, but I like to try and keep it kid-friendly. And I apologize about that. I just, I cuss like a sailor in real life, and, alright, so how can I cheat this? I can just take one of these black holes and make it fabulous. Let's make the brightness be... Now, which one is it? I think it's the one down here. Oops. I want the brightness to be 1, not 0. Come on. All I have to do is click on you. Come on. I know you're out there in space somewhere. Let's do 2 of them, I guess. Let's keep adding to them until I see one to click on. There it is. I guess I said above 1.0. A screenshot of this. Gotta get it where it looks cool. Get a couple of them. Okay, good enough for me. Crop those. Alright. Well, now I can hit submit, and it should be done. Well, I guess that's a jam entry. What the heck? Do you have to enter before or something? Is this just how it works now, or... Alright, well, it's a jam one now. Oh well. I guess I missed the deadline or something. I swear in the past you could just enter it after the buzzer. Ah, well. What did I bend? What ruled... Ah, well. It's a jam entry. Oh well. I must have missed something, so... I guess I... Oh, that's disappointing. Oh well. Whatever. I don't care. It's not a big deal. It's not a good game anyway, so it's not like I'm going to be winning anything, and it's not like there's money involved or anything. It's just I was fighting for 24 hours, or for 48 hours, and I guess I didn't make it in time. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and you guys have a good one.